This temple is about 150 meters further down the road from the Radha Damodar temple and is run by devotees said to be in the family line from Lord Nityananda. It is number 41 on our map. We go up onto the raised area in front of the main altar. There we have darshan of Gaur-Nitai and Radha Krishna. Beneath them are unusual-looking Jagannath deities. On our right are these very old deities of Lakshmi Narayan. Behind the main altar and to the right, the devotees here keep this banner, which is said to have been personally used by Lord Nityananda himself when he went on Harinam. The Lord would move around the Vrindavan area, relishing the nectar of the holy names in the company of the local devotees. To the right, there is a shrine in which there's a picture of a famous pastime of Radha and Krishna. Radharani was decorating herself secretly before meeting the Lord, but Krishna sneaked up behind her and started decorating her hair. She thought it was one of her maidservants, but when she looked in her mirror, she saw it was her beloved Shyam. Because of this pastime, this place is called Shringar Vata, or the Banyan tree, where the decoration was done. In the courtyard, there is the stump of an old banyan tree, with a newer tree growing behind it. When Lord Nityananda visited Vrindavan, he stayed here under the older tree, and therefore this place is also known as Nityananda Vata. Just before the old tree died, the devotees took a branch from it and planted it next to it, and the branch has now grown into a full-size tree.